What's up everyone, Stephen Shaw here, and this week I'm going to be doing something with the back wall here. It's kind of plain and I want to make it like an accent wall. I also want to do something with the carpet down here, replace it or... So, that's what we're going to be doing this week, starting right now. Oh, that's too much. Trying the paint up there is extremely tricky, but this ladder here, this ladder makes it a little easier. They set it up on multiple heights. So we got a nice clean line to start with, and we can start painting the walls. Hey girl. Well, we got the first coat on and it's looking good. So much brighter. I love it. Now I just got to do the cut in at the ceiling. So, just let this dry and then we're gonna slap another coat on it tomorrow. Hey guys, so we found out some bad news last night. We found out that King here, our dog, he has internal bleeding. And not really sure where it's coming from, so it's been kind of hard this last few days, I guess. So to keep my mind busy, I'm gonna try and get this wall done. I think this has been pretty hard on me because I had the same thing happen to my dog. Luckily for King, he seems to be doing a lot better than what my old dog was doing. So here's the hoping. It's good news, and maybe it's just a mass on his spleen that can be removed, and he'll live for many years in good health. But Ivana doesn't really know what I'm doing with the wall back here. I told her it's a surprise, so I'm gonna try and get that done before she gets home. And hopefully cheer the mood up. All right, see you guys. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna use baseboard and have the baseboard continue from here and go straight across. Thought about putting the shiplap right downstairs, but it would be a lot of work because you have to cut for each one of the stair rises. And I think it'll look okay if we just put the baseboard going right across, then have like a border going around it. We'll see what happens. So let's get to it. So I can already see we're gonna have a bit of a problem here. because the line from where the baseboard will go across, you see it's gonna go over this light switch, which would be a pain. So I'm thinking if I go up one high, have baseboard here, and then have the other one go right on top of it, going across. I'm just wondering how that will look. I'm not sure, but I think I'm gonna do it anyways, and just give it a shot. We'll see what happens. I think for now I'm just gonna leave this piece off here because I still gotta put the nosing on, the stair nosing. And if I leave that off, it'll just make it easier. So that's what I'm gonna do. That sucks. If you look right here, you can see the floor is going up because this laser level is perfectly level. And you can see the gap right here is bigger than over here. So my original plan was to put another baseboard going right across flush with this, but clearly that's not going to work. And then I thought about having like another little gap right here, but I think that would just look dumb. So now I'm thinking that if we just started up higher, because I really just want to, when you're looking from that area right there and you're looking in here, that's where you're going to see the shiplap. Ideally, if it's just up higher, I think it'll still look good. Let's try and prop this laser level up. We'll do something like that. And then we'll just see from here. Yeah, that'll be fine. You can't see the bottom laser. Unless you come right here, you can see it, but other than that, I think that'll look good. Yeah, okay. Let's give it a go. I love this new light, man. I think it looks sick. What do you think? Do you think it looks sick? Let me know in the comments below. Come check it out. No, I'm not gonna post it. Maybe. Oh, look.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Just gotta fill in all the little holes there. Yeah. Oh, it was a lot of work.
It's really, that light is really bright.
Yeah, there's no dimmer switch on it, unfortunately.
Yet.
I'm glad you like it. It's awesome. It's a lot of hard work, man.
Yeah, it looks like. How did you even get those up there?
With the ladder.
I guess so. Holy crap. It looks great.
It's different. You know, shiplap seems to be the end thing these days.
Oh, it's cool. It's really cool.
Yeah. Sweet.
Can you turn that thing off?
What's up, guys? So today we're going to be filling in all the little holes with spackle. And we're also going to be tearing up this carpet down here. We're going to replace the carpet on the stairs and the carpet down at the bottom. We're going to replace it with vinyl plank. So it'll look a lot better. I'm still waiting for the stair nosing. That's going to be a few more weeks. But other than that, it's looking good. It's coming together. We're still waiting for the test results from King, but he seems to be doing a lot better. Hey, Olivia. Hey, girl. He seems to be doing a lot better. He's getting around better and stuff like that, so that's good news. And we're hoping we're going to hear back tomorrow with the test results, so we're hoping it's good news. Hey, buddy. Olivia's the center of attention right here. Hey, King. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this video. I think it turned out great. I really like it. And an update on King. Unfortunately, his days are numbered, so we're just gonna give him the best time that he has left with us, and lots of treats and lots of walks and lots of adventures. So it's unfortunate. We're just gonna leave the carpet for now, and eventually we'll probably just paint the stairs. We did get the bottom down. They're done. Still got to get the nosing on. I'm just waiting for that to come in. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope 2021 is going better for you guys than it is for us. Thanks. Cheers.